Hello and welcome to this tutorial on feather and silk thistle. During this tutorial you will know how to make thistles of two varieties. One is a flat finished thistle and another one is a more rounded version like this one. So what do we need to make these types of thistles? I have a number of materials here on my desk. Hopefully I've remembered all the most important ones. Let's have a look. Obviously you will need some fabrics, depending on what you have. You might want to use some satin, you might want to use some cotton, maybe you have some other fabrics, metallics that you want to use, even denim. This is all possible. Also you will need some lightweight backing silk or whatever fabric you're using for this purpose, because we are going to be backing some parts of this thistle. As well, we will need some wires, not too many. You'll need a couple of wires for the stem and a wire for the leaves if you're making them at all. You'll need a polystyrene ball or two. This one is a 3 centimeter one, or 2.5 seem to be a good size, or bigger if you want to make a larger thistle. I'm using also some feathers, hence the name, so it is Silk and Feather Thistle. So these feathers are marabou feathers, which are soft and nice, but you might want to use, perhaps try to use some other feathers that you have. Try experimenting with different ones. I have here a piece of packing card, so this will also be used, just a small piece of card, a plastic bag, and piece of plastic for backing the parts. You probably already know that. We normally use them in our tutorials. You'll need a ruler, craft scissors, perhaps scissors like these for trimming your feathers if you want, and all a pair of tweezers, wire cutters as well, and glue. I have two types. One is slightly more liquid, the other one is more thick for assembly. This is PVA white glue. This tutorial can be done without any professional tools. You can get away with without them, but if you want to use them, if you have them, then I recommend two of these, a knife tool and this extra narrow foot type tool to shape the leaves. I will be showing how to do them too. So obviously you'll need a soldering iron with them, and a medium pad as well if you're using. If you're making a dyed thistle like this green one, you will also need some silk dyes to dye your fabrics first, or you can make white, black, or other version with factory dyed fabrics. I hope I have covered all the materials that we will need. If something is not here, then you will see it in the tutorial. So now you're familiar with the materials, let's start making.